Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 23. Even those devotees who, endowed with faith, worship other gods, worship me alone, O son of Kunti, but by the wrong method.
Chapter 9, Shloka 23. येऽप्यन्यदेवता भक्ताः यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः तेऽपि माम् एव कौन्तेय यजन्त्यविधिपूर्वकम्.
Chapter 9, Shloka 23. The following shlokas are for the misguided worshippers who pray at the altars of the deities presiding over finite gains. People have different temperaments, hence their choice of altars is different. The power which is invoked that vitalizes the deity is the same as the substratum behind all the names and forms in the world. The same truth expresses as the vitality in different forms which people invoke. Once we accept the infinite reality as the one without a second, expressing in different places at different times and different forms, it becomes clear that the same self as consciousness is expressing through all. If devotees of one deity quarrel with devotees of other deities, it is due to lack of understanding. Those devotees who, instead of invoking the infinite bliss of the self, invoke some limited gain in different fields of human activity, are also invoking the same grace of the self, but by the wrong method. Even the most sensuous person who works to earn, save and spend so that he may procure, possess and enjoy the sensuous object is invoking the dormant capacity from the self. Without the grace of the self, one cannot act negatively or positively in life. Even when one commits suicide or kills another, it is the misuse of the grace of the manifested life alone. The misuse leads the seeker to dejection and sorrow that is in the not self, instead of the bliss of perfection which is the nature of the self. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.